recognize what we call fate. Believe no more in what's been forced into subconsciousness.
Today I got a third place start in my first moto, and it took me a while to get around Ethan on his Suzuki. He was in second. He had a pretty good pace going, and we were just trying to hang on to Nelson. Nelson got the whole shot, and eventually Ethan wore out. I wore him down, and I could make the pass on him. And I started closing a little bit on Nelson, but it wasn't nearly enough to, you know, to try to make a pass.
Bo Barron got into second and caught me a little bit, but we're still had a nice, comfortable lead. Just trying to do the same in the second moto. Hopefully get rid of the arm pump, get the whole shot, and take off and lead the whole thing. That's the plan.
And I'm hoping in the next moto I can either get to start or be close and make a good battle out of it.
Hi, my name is I'm all the way from South Africa. This is my second QuadCross race. Well, the second moto went quite good. Got a good start. I think I came in 6th around the first corner, moved up to 3rd place and kind of just stuck behind Bo and Dustin for a bit, opened up a gap and yeah, kind of stayed in that spot for the whole way.
Second moto was a little bit tighter. Me and Bo Barron started right next to each other, drag race all the way down the start, and my YFZ 450R just barely pulled me out the whole shot, so stoked to take home the GYTR whole shot award. And from there, just rode good, clean laps, you know, pulled out to maybe a couple seconds on Bo there for a little bit in the moto, but we were kind of doing the whole rubber band effect. I'd pull a little bit, he'd catch back up. Had a pretty good battle with him the whole moto, but was able to pull off the win, so stoked, had a really good day here at ACP, and we're 2 for 2 this year.